Today we are going to unbox the Kemi 1027 model number 1027 hair clipper. I have bought the product from a Flipkart. Yesterday I have received this product by a Flipkart. Today I am going to unbox the clipper. Let's unbox the clipper. See how I have got this box. Some specification. What the machine means: the most powerful motor have been and made in PRC. AC output is 220 240 voltage, 500 hydras, 12 voltage adjustable blades. And the box, it contains 4 clipper, means 4 clips plus 1 machine, 1 comb, and the plastic one to hold the oil. Let's unbox. First we get this, second the user manual, and the machine. Actually I have unboxed the video, means I have unboxed the machine first only, but today but I am going to show you, means what the products, means what how the products is been. By using this we can do up and down. See, and we get a long cord wire, and we also get a 4 clips, 1 2 3 and 4, and we also get a oil and the comb also. See, and rest in the box there is nothing, and we get an like that type of screwdriver to fit up the screw of this side, like that. Actually this screw is for adjustment of the nozzle. See, when I twist the screw, the needle of the machine goes into a middle direction. See, slowly it comes middle. Now then I will go 1 minute I will going to show you what means how the sound of the machine is coming. So guys, if the noise comes like that, then we have to loose up the screw for 2 to 3 times, then the sound will go, means the sound will come up level, means it will adjust the clipper size, means it will adjust this clipper, मतलब कि ये एडजस्ट हो जाएगा, अपने को फिट करना पड़ेगा इसको, ऐसा ऐसा, फिर साउंड इक्वल हो जाएगा, लाइक दैट. नाउ सी, इट डजंट मेक अ साउंड.